Welcome to the exciting world of installing Syslog probe on Omnibus 7.4 for Linux. What you will need is the core installation of Omnibus 7.4 for Linux, as well as the patch for the Syslog probe. Now we want to log in as the user ID that will be installing Omnibus 7.4 on Linux. You want to check the home directory of this user ID and make sure there are no DE files. And there are no DE files. Another thing you might want to do is set the environment variables for OmniHome and NCHome. You will need that to run Omnibus. Before installing Syslog probe for Linux, we are going to install Omnibus 7.4 with the option of probe support. Installing DE takes a few minutes, so please be patient. You might want to go grab a cup of coffee or some tea. If you made it this far, you really want to install the Syslog probe for Linux. Now we're in the middle of installing the probe support portion of Omnibus 7.4. Now we are ready to install Syslog probe for Linux. Notice where the installation engine is invoked. It's in the OmniHome install directory and not in the patch. You should be familiar with this menu system. It's invoking DE, and this is where you put the path of where you uncompress the Syslog probe patch. Answers the questions, and there's light at the end of the tunnel. The final step is to test the probe and make sure that it is installed correctly. You could run the probe with a dash version option. If there's no errors, you're good to go.